I am 20 years old and I got diagnosed with brain cancer earlier this year, back in June. Here are some of the symptoms that I ignored my whole life but turned out to be brain cancer. Ever since I was a little girl, I had a throwing up problem. It was normal for me to throw up at least once a week, if not every day or every couple days. My family would always joke with me and call me Barfy. And the doctors always said that it was just anxiety. Turns out that where my tumor was in the back of my head was pressing against my brainstem, and where my nausea center was causing me to throw up. I was super fatigued. I was tired all the time. I would get more and more tired later into the day, and I would have to take naps to be able to get through the day. It was really hard for me to do school or work. I would nap for hours every day just to be able to function. I got a lot of headaches, which I was also told were caused by anxiety. Pressure headaches that were in the back of my head, which ended up being where the tumor was. I was super dizzy all the time. When I stood up, I would get super dizzy. I was told that it was due to a lack of iron because my iron levels tested slightly below normal. I was often made fun of for being clumsy. My tumor was affecting my center of balance. I was not really able to balance myself. I bumped into a lot of things, fell over a lot, tripped a lot. My hands and feet would fall asleep. Sitting down or going in a hot tub, I would get pins and needles. I just thought that I had bad circulation. The last one, I gained about 45 pounds within the span of 6 to 8 weeks rapidly. And I did go to the doctor for this, and he did say that I had a vitamin D deficiency. I had gone for a couple other issues as well. Then I later found out on accident after getting into a car accident. I had to go to the ER, and we accidentally found out that I had a brain tumor and cancer in my head. So I had to get emergency surgery. So those are the symptoms that I had. If you want to hear the story of how they told me after the car accident that I had a tumor in my brain, then let me know in the comments. It was not fun.